next guy we're going to take off is this spin brush motor, and he's got some orange guys. So we're going to go ahead and take these off, or gold I should say. This one's not difficult at all. This is just taking off, making sure this thing pops right out. I'm replacing this, and hopefully you guys will not do this, but mine, this little side here has now been stripped. So I don't know if that was something that was ever a problem before, as far as originally, because I got this on an auction site. But so that's that part there, and that just takes off the spin or the side brush motor. That's what it looks like there too. So got some authentic things there as well. So I'm getting this one. This was about $17 on Amazon. So, but that's how you take all that stuff apart, folks.